Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to adjust sensitivity in Horror Tale 1. If you want to adjust the sensitivity setting in the Horror Tale 1 so that you can control your character smoothly and enjoy a better gameplay experience, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch open Horror Tale 1 game on your device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and from the main menu, tap on Settings on the right-hand corner. Under Settings, look for Sensitivity option and you'll see a little slider underneath. Move the slider towards the right to increase sensitivity, which is faster camera movement, and if you move it towards the left, this will decrease it and your camera will move slower. After adjusting according to your preference, you can then go ahead and tap on the arrow facing towards the left at the top left corner, and you can then continue or choose a new gameplay for Horror Tale 1. So that is how you can easily adjust the sensitivity setting in Horror Tale 1 for a smoother and enjoyable gameplay experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.